Somebody told me blondes have more fun, so I had to get my hands on this ash blonde bob unit from LuvMe Hair. So you know what to do. Let's go ahead and keep watching. All right guys, so we are back for part 2 of the other unit that is in this box from LuvMe Hair. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this unit is going to be shorter, but we are still working with some highlights. So as you saw in the previous video, since there were 2 units, they came in the same box, which I really love this. So now we are going to get into this unit over here. So I just want to take it out, show you what it looks like, give you all the specs, show you the construction, all of that good stuff. But first, let's just see what it looks like on the website. So here's the unit that we are going to be getting into today. So this is LuvMe Hair's Ash Brown Highlighted Glueless 5x5 HG Closure Lace Bob Wig. It has pre-cut lace, flexi drawstring cap. Music to my ears. I love me a drawstring cap. So this unit comes in 10 inches, 12 inches, and then 14 inches. So they did send me over the 12-inch length. So I'm going to take this out in just a moment, but first I do want to show you everything else that came in the box. So we have our little purple mesh bag with a drawstring top to help store our unit. Inside the bag, we have a pack of HD wig caps, we have a wig box label, and then we have our little pamphlet here with the wig care tips, return policies, how to contact them, their social medias, all of that good stuff. All right, so here is the unit. I'm just taking the netting and the paper off so we could get a better look here. And it does come with a elastic band that we're going to install in the inside of this unit. So it comes in this little baggie here. I'm going to take this out and put this inside while I provide you the rest of the specs of this unit. So again, this unit is 12 inches long. Price for the 12-inch length is $144.90. And of course, I have a promo code for you, which is SNH28, gets you 28% off of this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from LuvMe Hair. So the nice thing about this elastic band is it has this little silicone strip inside. So it kind of like just adheres to the back of your head. But here is how to install the elastic band in the inside of the unit. And this is completely optional. You do not have to do it. There's combs in the front. Actually, let me just show you. There's combs in the front of this unit, there's a comb in the back, and we also have this lovely drawstring right here in the back. So the elastic band is pretty optional, but we're gonna go ahead and put it on anyway. So there's a loop on one side and a loop on the inside of the unit. We're just gonna slide that through and do the same exact thing on the other side of the unit. And now we have a little bit of extra security in the inside of the unit. All right, so I might as well give you the specs while I'm installing the unit. So I'm going to place the elastic band around the back of my head and then the back comb in the back of my hair. So this unit is 150% density. Circumference is 21 inches to 23.5 inches. It's 100% human hair. Comes with the lace pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. Color is highlighted. It comes with a middle part, but this is a 5x5 closure. So if you did want to change the part to like a left side part or a right side part, then you can do that. Now I'm not going to adjust the drawstring as of yet. I'm going to adjust the front of the unit first. Okay, so we are going to have to do some work with this one. I'm gonna have to heat up my hot comb, and I think I might change this black wig cap to a different color because it looks very dark here in the parting space. So let me go do that first, and then I'm gonna come back and we're going to pick up right where we left off. All right, so I am back. I did change it to one of the HD wig caps that came with the unit, and let's see, what do I want to do first? So I am heating up my hot comb. In the meantime, I am going to kind of melt this lace just a little bit. Well, drawstring. So in the back of the unit, we are going to pull on this string and then secure that little knob right close to the back of our head. And then just tuck this string into the side or the back of the unit. I'm just going to tuck it right in as so. All right, so now this unit feels extra secure, and I probably don't even need to melt. I'm probably just going to put a little bit of makeup right here in the front, but I do need to work on this parting space to make sure everything is nice and flat. So I'm going to take a little bit of my favorite hairspray. This is Sebastian Hair Shaper Spray, and just spraying it right around the parting space. Okay, and now with my hot comb, just gonna lay everything nice and flat. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start with a voiceover now. And again, I'm just laying everything nice and flat at the top with my hot comb. And I prefer hairspray over the wax sticks because the wax sticks like leave a shiny, oily residue. I prefer that on my own hair, but not on my unit. So I use hairspray. And now that we got the top all nice and flat, I am going to use my flat iron to take large sections of the hair and just put a slight bend in the hair. We want everything nice and straight and blunt. And again, large sections is perfectly fine. We want to make this as easy and beginner friendly as possible. All right, now that I have one side down, I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and we're gonna get into these pros and cons. All right, so we got the unit all styled, and I wanna make just a few adjustments here. So I did cut off the lace, just cut it back just a little bit because it was just a lot. So I am going to take a little bit of my contouring powder, and this is just Wet n Wild cheap stuff, but it gets the job done. And I'm going to take the darker shade with a flat brush and then just dab it right here around the hairline just to blend it in to my skin tone. Okay, now in the parting space, I'm going to take a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the color 330. And with an angle brush, I'm going to get some right here in the parting space, just to make this part pop just a little bit. It's already looking better. So just brushing it right there in the parting space. As so. There we go. All right, so here is the unit, and I'm completely obsessed with this color. The color is so cute. You all know that I love me a short unit, bob unit. This is like absolutely perfect. I love the amount of lace on this unit. It's only a 5x5 closure, so we only have a lace from here all the way to here, and then stops like right back here. So if you did want to change it from a metal part, then you would be able to do so. But let me see if I've told you all the specs of this unit. I feel like I just like glanced over that, just trying to get to the install. But this is 100% human hair, so yes, it can be dyed. But why would you want to? It's so pretty. Look at this highlight here. Oh my goodness. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous unit. I love, love, love the color combination on this. Ash blonde is so pretty. I've done like a few of the ash blonde units in the past and have never been disappointed in the color. Like, the color looks very, very much so professional. So again, this unit is 12 inches long. It does come in 10 inches, 12 inches, and then 14 inches. So 14 inch will be a little longer, 10 inch will be a little shorter, but 12 inches is just spot on for me. It's absolutely perfect. Let me actually turn around because I did not show you the back of this unit. So of course this is the front and then the side. So this is just a blunt cut bob. It is not like asymmetrical or longer in the front, shorter in the back. It is blunt cut bob, no face frame, no layers, blunt. Here is the back. And this is a silky straight texture. So it is not a yucky straight texture. It is very silky, silky, silky straight. Side again, and of course the front. This is so summer friendly, so summer friendly. It's not long. You don't really have to do a lot to this unit. Once you have it styled once, just put it on your mannequin head at night and you're good to go for the next day. I feel like this unit is just gorgeous. It is a very, very pretty unit based on the color, the cut. Everything about this unit is just spot on. It is very, very pretty. So again, this unit is $144. I have a promo code for you. SNH28 gets you 28% off. Love that this unit has a drawstring in the back. So it's very, very much so secure, not going anywhere. We have the drawstring, we have the front combs, we have the back combs, we have the elastic band in the inside. This unit is not going anywhere. I think that is pretty much it. Again, if you did want to change the part on this one, then you would be able to do so. But the middle part on this blunt cut style is just everything. It is absolutely everything. So I'm leaving it as is. This is a beautiful, beautiful unit. Definitely a grab and go, beginner friendly. I didn't do too much customization to this unit. You will have to flat iron this unit out of the box. If you wear it straight out of the box, if you wash it, either way, you're gonna have to flat iron it. As far as the parting space, you will have to use your hot comb to flatten the top and kind of just like put a little bit of makeup there in the parting space, and then you'll be good to go. Easy peasy, not a heavy lift, I promise you, because it comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached and colored and cut in the style. So all the heavy work is really, really done for you. So that is pretty much it for this review. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Make sure to check out the description box below. I'm gonna put a link to LuvMeHair's website. This specific ash blonde highlighted bob unit will be down in the description box as well. Promo code SNH28 will be down there as well. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend. Make sure that they get their hands on this beautiful, beautiful summer unit from LuvMeHair. I'll see you all in the next video.